In this video, I want to show you how to insert a SD card in your DJI Mini 4K and also how to format this SD card so it works with your drone. Let's get started. First of all, DJI recommends a few brands and type of SD cards, so I'll put a screenshot right now if you didn't purchase one, which one you should get, and I'll also put Amazon links in the description if you want to get one of these. The SD card slot is located on the back of the drone. So this is the front where the camera is, and if you check on the back right beside the USB Type-C port, this is where you're going to take your SD card, your micro SD card. You're going to place it with the sticker facing up and with the contacts facing down. And you're going to simply glide it inside like this, and then take your finger, push it, and it needs to click. So maybe you'll need to push it with your nail. Here you go, it has clicked in place. I'll show you how to format this SD card. Open the DJI Fly app after connecting. Select Go Fly. From here, you're going to tap on the three dots on the top right corner. You're going to select Camera. Then go down and you should select, you see over here, SD card. On the top, you should see Format. Click on Format and then Confirm. It takes around 2 to 3 seconds, and right now the card is formatted. As you see, I can use all the memory and I'm ready to fly and record. To record, just so if you didn't know, you need to press on this button right over here. Or you can press the record button on the app itself. And on the main display over here, you're going to get the storage and how much time you can film at this resolution over here. I have selected 4K 30, which is the maximum. If you tap and let's say I want to lower to 4K 24 frames per second, well, you're going to see the storage over here changes. If I want to film HD, I have 7 hours 53 minutes of filming at 24 frames per second. So as you change, you can get more or less filming time. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.